Alright, here's Christmas. So far, 2:30 in the afternoon. This is a real frying pan. There's like a candle inside. It smells really good. And Reese picked this DVD. Cheesy old Christmas stuff. Christmas traffic signal. Just put this out in the street by the house. And here's the carnage. There's Cody. You want to say hi? Reese's watching. And this is Reese's little kitchen set, which he seems to like. Alright, yeah. Let's see. A little microwave here. Put something in the microwave. I know, it's a metal soup pot. Oh, all done. Okay. And then, so you get the stove here, and you fry things. Look at that. And then when you're done frying, you get a little coffee pot. You boil water. Delicious coffee. Or you put that there where it stays warm, and you boil some soup. You need the lid for extra weight. Boiling soup.